Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you one of the most valuable historical monuments in Sri Lanka. The place is located in the heart of the island between the towns of Dambulla and Habarane on a massive rocky plateau 300 meters above the sea level. Since 3th century BC, the rocky plateau of Sigiriya served as a monastery. In the second half of the 5th century, King Kashyapa decided to construct a royal residence here. The main entrance is located in the northern side of the rock. The western wall of Sigiriya was almost entirely covered by frescoes created during the reign of Kashyapa. 18 frescoes have survived to this day. If you travel Sri Lanka, don't miss this place. Thank you.